Hey everyone, welcome to my first ever crypto video, and I am G, and this is Gone Crypto Crazy. And this first video is about yield farming on the Tron Network, which I think people want to know about. So it's just happening, starting today, and first of all, I'd just like to say anything that I say is just what I'm doing, it's what I'm into, and I'm able to share it. So please, this is not telling anyone to buy anything. This is just about how to do what I'm doing, and yeah, it's not financial advice. I can't tell you about the economics of any of it. It's more like a game, and I'm very interested in it, and I'm really happy to try and share it with the community. Gives me a way to give back because I feel like I've gotten so much from the community. So on that note, let's get over to the fun stuff, and remember, just be safe out there. This video will be about how to yield farm, to start yield farming on the Tron Network. Alright, so in case you have felt like you missed the yield farming boat on ETH, with Wi-Fi and sushi and yam 2 and Wi-Fi V and and then also not being able to participate like myself because the gas fees are just astronomical, then you find out like me that Tron is actually doing yield farming on their network and are creating a whole DeFi, decentralized finance setup there. So if you're interested in yield farming on Tron, then this will be a very instructional video of how to do it. So basically what you're going to find is I'm a Windows operator and I use a Google Chrome, and there's a few things that you are going to need to do. You can go to get some information about this, you can go to all the information that you require is on tronfi.io. There's a lot of information here, and Pearl.finance is the one that we're gonna talk about, and so you can go in there. But there are going to be a few things that you're going to need to do in order to go and participate in the Tron.io. So the first thing you'll need to do is you'll need to go and download, or make sure you have the Chrome Web Store extension called Tron Link. And Tron Link is pretty much MetaMask equivalent, but for the Tron network. So you can just go and add that extension to your browser, Tron Link, and basically that would be your first thing. And that is a Tron wallet. So what you'll need to do is you'll need to get that, you'll have to open it up, you have to get your passphrase and give it a password, and that will be your browser extension, Web3 browser extension for the Tron network. So the next thing you're going to want to do is obviously populate that browser, the Tron link, with some Tron. So wherever you can get your Tron, that's TRX tokens. I got mine on Binance, but the Tron is available on many networks, and so basically you can get your Tron with your fiat, or use whatever tokens you have to get Tron, and then you can send your TRX tokens to your Tron link Chrome extension. So there we go. So I've just sent some money there, and there we've got $50 worth of Tron Link, Tron TRX. So yeah, now what you have to do is you basically are going to do your yield farming on, I'm going to put it up here. So we are looking for Pearl.finance. Pearl.finance, there we go, right. And so when you open up Pearl.finance, you will need to, this kind of looks very similar to all the yams sushi swap setup, so it's very simple. This is the home screen, And what we're going to do is each one of these are staking for a week. So right now the TAI stats, this one over here in the middle at the bottom, that is the only one where you can stake right now. So what you want to do is you want to take your TRX tokens and you need to change them into TAI. Now TAI is not available on any other CoinGecko or anything. So in order to get your TAI, you have to go to JustSwap. So JustSwap is like, it is similar to AnySwap or Uniswap, but just on the Tron network. And the first thing you'll have to do is connect your Tron wallet, Tron Link, to JustSwap. So if you see here, I'm in JustSwap now, and you can see my Tron address up there on the left. And you can see right now that my Tron total 1,617 Tron are available over here. So what you want to do is you want to go down here and you want to look for the token that you want to get, so we are wanting to look for TAI. So please be careful here because you don't want to collect the wrong token. So I'm going to type in TAI, and because I've done it before, I know that this TAI is the one. But you can actually see the address of the TAI over here. So if you actually look at the TAI, you can see that address over there. And if you go to the your Pearl Farmer website and you go to the rules and you open up the rules, there is the addresses are here so that you can verify them. But yeah, so just make sure that you choose the right one. And so I know that it is that TAI over there. So great. So what I want to do is I want to swap my TRX for my TAI. And I'm going to not do the entire amount because always like gas, I want to make sure there's a little bit of Tron available to do the transaction, and it's very, very cheap. So I'm going to just do 1,600 Tron. And so that's there, and that tells me that 1,600 Tron is going to give me 9.92 TAI. Yeah, is that correct? So yeah, so let's just see. Yeah, so my TAI stats are those are the right ones. Okay, don't want to make any mistakes. So it's going to cost me 4.8 TRX to do that, and I'm going to get that. So swap. So very similar. You go here, check your swap. It will send you a confirmation, and you'll see that's what the confirmation looks like, and you can then just accept. And that will go on to, say it's on TronScan, and you can go and view it on TronScan if you want. Transactions tend to go quite quick. And so yeah, so there we go, the success. So great. So now if you go to your Tron Link and you actually go look at the bottom here, you can see that your TAI is available in the bottom right. So it tells you those are your TAI. So now you've actually changed into the liquidity pool token, which is TAI. Now if I come back to Pearl Farm, and obviously when you come onto Pearl Farm, you basically want to make sure that your wallet is connected, and you want to go down to farm. You want to go on the farm token, and basically you want to go down to TAI. And so TAI is where I am, and should tell you those are the TAI that I've staked already. So I'm gonna stake some more TAI, and I'm gonna press that, and it should read my wallet and tell me how many TAI I have. And so I'm gonna put in some TAI, and I'm gonna confirm. And once again, you're gonna get a thing that says please confirm, and you're gonna accept. And it may not come up immediately. It has oh, there we go. So there we go. So now I've got 35 TAI. Now basically you are putting in your TAI into the liquidity pool, and I'm earning, I've earned my first pearls. so I'm earning fraction of Pearls. Obviously I'm doing this on a very small scale, but it's more to learn how this works, and so I can get more confident, because I'd rather pay my school fees in small amounts than in large amounts and get wrecked. So yeah, so that's pretty much it, nice and simple. I'm now participating this evening on Hotbit. They will actually launch the Pearl token. So please don't go buy Pearl tokens anywhere, because they're not available. If you go and actually look at the actual Telegram or on the website, it will tell you where it's available. Please don't go buy on Just Swap or anything like that, because like Uniswap, people can make fake tokens and you will get wrecked. So great, I hope that's helpful to anyone. I find this very exciting, lots really happening in the space, and I think it's a great call from the Tron creators to actually provide this on their network. Obviously it gives a great use case for their network, and it seems very fast, and hopefully this will help Tron to grow, and yeah, it will help us to all participate in this decentralized finance space. So thank you for watching, and I hope this is helpful. Please leave me a comment or let me know what you think, and see you in the next one. Who knows what I'll make a video about next. So cheers for now. Okay, hi everyone, G here, and welcome to, what did I call myself? I call myself Gone Crypto Crazy.